Any parent, student, or staff member wishing to know what's going on in a classroom can navigate to the Roosevelt Middle School webpage, select About Us, Handbook Planner, Homework Updates, and you'll find a list of teachers sorted by grade level or department. We're going to use Jill Augustine's as an example. Select Jill Augustine. It'll open up a Google Doc where we have several links across the top. We have a link to Roosevelt Middle School. We have the teacher name, a link to classroom websites, the teacher email address, teacher phone number. Course name will be populated by the teacher, a link to RMS Online textbooks, and a link to Gradebooks Online. Next is a quick link to each month of the year, and then within each day there is a space for teachers to write what's going on in the classroom. On Tuesday 9/2, you'll see that Miss Augustine is going to go over a welcome packet and have the students return that by Wednesday. It is a clickable link, which is nice because parents can click out to different websites or different documents that you may have in Google Docs. That's the basic premise behind this. If they want to go back, they can click the back button and then select another teacher. So that's how it's used. Now we need to look at how, as a staff member, you can access your document. You'll need to navigate to your Google Docs account. You can go there one of two ways. Select the lock and key, type in your first name underscore last name, and email password. The other option is to go straight to google.com and select login in the upper right. You can see that I'm already logged in. A reminder that this is your Google Docs login page. So when you log in, you'll log in with first name underscore last name at ahapps.anoka.k12.mn.us. Once you navigate to your Google Docs, I've created a page for every staff member to list their homework. For most of you, you're going to select incoming, and you will find a document that will have the following naming convention. It'll have your last name, RMS Homework Calendar 1415. As the teacher, your responsibility, number one, is to come in here and change the course name. I did not change this for each staff member as I was unsure as to what you were teaching. You have two options here. You can combine multiple courses onto one document, and that can be achieved by saying your ELA 7 and provide information about the homework, and then simply do an ELA 8 to talk about homework. The other option is to contact Will Powell and have him create a completely separate document where you'd have ELA 7 on one document and ELA 8 on another document. You just have to give a heads up to Will and he'll create that for you. So far the only thing you've had to do is come in here and change your course name and then put in text on the days giving a description to the parents what's going on. It is very helpful to be very descriptive in your narrative here because if a student sits down, you want to make sure that they are able to look through your description and they can easily tell what needs to be done. It prevents that follow-up email or phone call from the parent. If you would like to link out to other documents, or let's say your assignment for this night was to read Star Tribune and summarize one article. See, it does spell check for me there. You can link by doing highlighting the words you'd like to have as a link. Select Insert, Link. Otherwise, it's also this link button across the toolbar. And you can see that it's doing some auto-suggesting already. And there's the Star Tribune link that I would like to use, and I can apply that. It just is a very easy way for parents to navigate right from your homework page directly to the assignment or document that you're talking about. If you're looking for another document that you might have in Google Docs, let's say that I want to have access to the announcements. You're going to open up that document, copy the link off the top, navigate back to yours, and then once again, highlight the word you'd like to have as a link, select the link, and paste in the URL for the page you would like to go to. You want to keep this as up to date as possible, as this is a great avenue for other teachers, parents, and students to stay current with your coursework.